If you're like most men, your packing list for travel tends to be shorter and simpler than that of your everyday life. But what about when you are on the road? Do you need the same type of toiletries as when you are at home? In this video, I will take a look at the top 7 best toiletry bags for men. So, let's get ready to pack. Number 7. Leatherology Double Zip Toiletry Bag Cognac. This Dopp kit is a brilliantly simple, remarkably standard, and supremely good. For something that will inevitably be smeared with toothpaste, it feels barely incorrect to advocate whatever too extravagant. However, if you're organized to make greater of an investment, this leather-based package is a splurge and you can wrap your head around. It's handsome, however, now not too valuable to get dirty. The outer wipes smooth anyway, and the interior lining is water-resistant in case of leaks or spills. These double zippered pockets are equal in size, including to the structural format. It's ideal for overpack, journeying with a partner, or simply setting apart your AM and PM routines. It has the extra special contact of being customizable. You can pick out between signature and top-rate leather. Number 6. Topo designs nylon and leather Dopp kit. Topo is known for making all kinds of durable, travel-friendly, mountaineering and ready bags like this leather-trimmed number that combines style and function. Durable and easy to clean corduroy nylon and a water-resistant interior provides much of the framework, while an exterior Hawaiian leather panel pulls focus. Topo's classic triangular Dopp shape is honored here, making it easier to pack inside a bigger bag, as well as to place in the small shelves of sink lid. While no toiletry bag will suit every user, Topo is top of this list for pleasing this plurality. It's easy to clean and seems to fit everything you need without having to dig around. It has just the right amount of pockets, enough that everything has a space, but not so many that you forget where you would put something. Number 5. Patagonia Black Hole Cube 10 liter. Sometimes you have to think outside of the box to find the best solution to your problems. Bags that aren't technically Dopp kits, such as this Patagonia packing cube, might actually be the best thing for storing your toiletries. Like the rest of the brand's products, it's built for the outdoors. This packing cube doesn't have many compartments. It unzips to lie flat and opens like a Herschel suitcase. Both sides are separated by a mere zippered partitions. One side alone can hold a pair of shoes, so you would easily be able to stuff all your grooming products as well as clippers or a trouble blow dryer in here if you needed to. This bag has both a top handle and a daisy chain for clipping it to something else or hanging it from a hook. Number 4. Herschel Chapter Dopp Kit. Driven to provide the everyday traveler with the perfect bag and accessories, Herschel Supply's classic collection has been thoughtfully designed from the ground up to include detail that aid in daily journeys. It's easy to clean and seems to fit everything you need without having to dig around. It doubles as a travel and storage item where you can keep your things organized so your partner can take up shelf space with her toiletries. It's long, a foot to be exact, which makes it great for long items like a hairbrush or full-size products if you're checking a bag. And the structure has some gifts, so you can stuff the bag into sharp suitcase corners without compromising packing space. There's also a long strap that makes it easier to grip the bag with one hand, and it has a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Number 3. Vetelli Foldable Hanging Premium Leather Travel Toiletry Bag. This travel bag combines premium high-grade leather and heavy-duty canvas that resists spills and leaks and protects items while you travel. Features a metal hanging hook, so you can hang the bag on the back of the bathroom door or on towel racks for easy access and security. The enclosed 2 zipper pockets measuring 11.20 L into 6.70 inches and 11.20 L and 4.50 inches that expand to hold larger travel accessories. Also contains 2 snap-fast and square pockets measuring 5.10 L into 4.708 inches for 4 internal external pockets altogether. Bag can be used to laying flat or hanging. The leather does have the feel of a light layer of polyurethane coating on parts of the decorative straps on the outside of the product. This is done on some leather exposed to high moisture areas like a bathroom. This is a quality product. Number 2. Bayfield Bag's Men's Toiletry Bag. This men's toiletry travel bag shaving kit has a separate zippered bottom compartment that opens to store your shave brush, shave soap, and razor in mesh products, and wide elastic band for razor clippers, tweezers in this leather toiletry bag for men. The bag can store and organize your bathroom bag toiletries in one small bag, has double-stitched seams and heavy-duty zippers that will last for years without splitting or breaking on this men's shaving kit. The storage area holds larger items like shaving cream, aftershave, and toothpaste in the medication bag organizer travel kit for men. Bayfield's toiletry bag is made from lamb leather, not polyurethane, which is a thinner leather than cow leather. It's very well constructed. The material is nice and it's overall a very sturdy or sleek bag. Number 1. MIRASON Hanging Toiletry Bag. This Dopp kit features a main compartment for larger items such as shampoo bottles or shaving cream, equipped with 3 zipper mesh pouch, 5 mesh pockets, and 2 side pockets with 5 elastic loops. This is the ultimate men toiletry organizer bag. This exceptional toiletry bag by MIRASON is made of high-grade hard-wearing PVC leather with nylon inner lining and water-resistant inner bottom. Easy to clean and 100% leak-proof. It can be hung on the door or other indoor and outdoor places with the sturdy material hook. With a quality durable fabric, it can remain in shape and sit on the counter even empty. Easy to carry with the creative thickened handle suitable for daily use for travel. Double zip closer, stronger and smoother. Equipped with mesh pocket and side pocket to keep your toiletries protected and organized during travel.